Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of I believe this is episode 3 of the series. Sorry in advance. It's about all the lighting and everything right now. I don't really have a whole lot of time to film, so I do have to do most of this in the dark, but that's not going to stop me from getting these videos out. And so for today, as you can see by the title, today is a rear tire delete. The reason I'm doing this is just so the dirt, snow, and salt don't mess up the tire or wheel on the back of the Jeep. As you can see on the back of the Jeep, we have the XD series wheel with the 31-inch Wrangler tire. As you can see, it is barely fitting. But I am going to be upgrading and getting bigger wheels in the future, so I'm just going to take it off now. And as you can already see, I'm using a socket wrench, and let me get, I'm not sure, let's see, it is a 19 millimeter. And just to take this off, for some reason I don't have the other tool I need, so I'm just gonna use that for now. We have those 2 bolts out, so I'm just gonna take the tire off this back, and we'll get into removing the brake light and tire carrier. And there we go. That is what the tire carrier on the TJ looks like with the brake light. So to start this, we definitely want to take the brake light piece off first. So we're going to remove these bolts right here. Again, I'm going to try to do a socket with a 13 millimeter. As you can see, we got all those bolts out. Sadly, 3 out of the 4 just snapped due to how old they are and probably the cold. I believe on the inside, yes, on the inside there is this little panel with the brake light wiring, so we should take that cover off real quick, undo the wiring, and I'll get back to you. Cover off of there, and you just unplug these, I believe, and then you're able to pull the wire out. So I'm going to do that real quick off camera just to make sure I do everything correctly. That's what they should look like after they are pulled off. And let's try to pull through that cable. Now the problem is just getting this piece off so you can just take it all apart. So let's just get those, looks like some simple bolts, and we'll get those out right now. We have the tire carrier off of the back of this Jeep. I will give you guys a better look at it. I'm going to try to take these little knobs off right here, but I'll give you guys a way better look at it tomorrow morning once it is all complete. So as you can see in the daylight, this is what the back of the Jeep looks like now. I did buy a tire delete plate to put on there, and I will definitely show you guys the installation of that once it comes in. It should be coming in a little bit later this week, so if I get it before this video comes out, I will just put it at the end of this video for you guys. But this is kind of what we're looking at. Not too bad. I'm going to try to clean up kind of all of this old dirt on there, and once I do, I will definitely give you guys a little update. And just like that, after a little bit of cleanup, it is looking 1,000 times better. There are still a few little spots here and there I need to touch up and fix, but that will be a whole nother project for a whole nother day. So that is what we're looking at right now. Hopefully that new piece comes in soon and I can get that attached, and we'll be looking a lot better back here. Yo, what's going on, everybody? So this is still in episode 3 of the Wrangler Watch, but we are going to be installing tire delete plate. It is from Hook Road. It was about 25 bucks. Doesn't come with hardware or anything, but it is powder coated, and you use the same hardware as you can see from the tire carrier. And there we go. Definitely gives it a cleaner look with that back plate. Obviously this is just for the winter time. It's not something that will be permanent addition to the Jeep, because once the weather is good again, the tire will go back on. New tire carrier will be put on, but That's kind of what it looks like. I think it looks really cool. Sadly, they didn't really have a whole lot of options when it comes to TJs, but this was one of the main ones that I saw. But that will be it for this video. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like down below and don't forget to subscribe, of course, if you want. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Peace.